All right, welcome back to today's therapy takeaway. Really cool moment today that I wanted to share that really gets at the heart of communicating about our feelings. I was working with a couple today and they were just not seeing eye to eye on something. And they were hoping to go on this trip. They were planning on going this trip and they just couldn't see eye to eye. And one wanted to go, one absolutely did not want to go. And it was like, where's the disconnect here? We were just evaluating, okay, where's your intuitions here? Like you see it one way, you see it totally a different way. Like let's be curious about this. Let's check this out. You're not dumb. Like you're a smart person and a caring person. You're a smart person and a caring person. So where are we missing something? One partner just said, you know what? Like I don't know. I don't know why. And I just need to admit this, but like, yeah, I am feeling like a kind of hardness, a kind of stubbornness inside. And that was getting this person stuck. And what was beautiful is that person then owned it, verbalized it, communicated it, and then brought it forward and said, okay, let's look at this. Tell me about this stuckness. Tell me about this hardness. What feelings, what emotions are connected to that, right, that are hanging you up here? Three different times came to mind that really made a ton of sense once they came out. And they were things about safety and they were things about concerns that were really valid and legitimate. And it's like, well, no wonder you were feeling hard or stubborn or hesitant if it was like safety was at risk. They didn't really know fully what it was about until he looked inside and said, yeah, I am feeling a block here. What's this about? And we were able to then dig a little deeper into it and share the feelings that were connected to it, share the memories and experiences that led to those feelings. Once they were able to communicate it, amazing thing happened is, okay, now the thing that was our greatest source of conflict is now something that is connecting us more deeply than ever before. Because now we see our pain points. Now we see the feelings that were underneath these stuck barriers and these stuck patterns of relationship. And that's where things really opened up. And that's where their connection just deepened even further. So what started as conflict, avoidance, right, disagreement, all that stuff became a really bonding experience and a chance to clear out some old baggage that they didn't even realize was a part of it. They didn't even realize it was unhealed, that they were still carrying it. These pain points from the past, they didn't realize that until they saw, oh yeah, there is a stuck point. Let's explore a little deeper. And that's really what you can model in your relationships if you want them to turn from disagreements, conflict, contempt, whatever, to collaboration, openness, curiosity, and being able to then see and work through the things that are stuck in your relationship. If you can do that, you'll feel more clear, you'll feel more close and connected to your partner, and things will just be able to move forward, forward, forward from that place, closer, 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 better, better, better. If you're struggling to figure out how to do that, where your stuck points are, all those different things, you can check out Skill 5, our barriers program. It's level 2. Skill 5 and 6, those identify your barriers internally is 5. Skill 6 is your barriers interpersonally. And then level 3, skills 7, 8, and 9 are all about relationships, the patterns that we repeat in our relationships, where our repetitive patterns in our relationship come from, where those are formed by our family of origin, all the kind of things that really, really are helpful to unpack, especially in couples work and family work and relational work. So if you're in those experiences, if you're in couples therapy, or if you're working through stuff in a relationship, I really recommend those specific skills. So hope that helps, and we'll see you tomorrow.